Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Steam Market Error 2026 Too many requests fixed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.